Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? In a continuing effort to improve our accent in Spanish, now we're going to focus on the k, the K sound, which can be produced by the C, C-A, C-O, C-U, kakoku, or the Q, Q-U-E, Q-U-I, ke, ki. And we're going to see the difference between this and the k sound in English. And maybe in if you speak another native language besides English. So let's take a look at these sounds. So we can compare the words coco in Spanish, which means coconut. And you can hear the difference. Coconut. We breathe a lot. We breathe out a lot more on our sounds. It's a general thing that we do with certain sounds. The k, the p, and the t. In English, we blow a lot of air on the K, the P, and the T sounds. We're focusing on the K sound today. In Spanish, they don't. You have to turn that air off. Like there's a valve. You got to find that valve and turn it off and don't let the air come out. Let's look at the next word. Quién. Quién. In English, qui. It's not the same word. I'm just comparing phonetically. Quién. Qui. Qui. We blow out. And then on the last example, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Which means what's up or what's happening. And okay. So let's take a look. When we compare, we have a little Kleenex here to hold to see the air blowing. Coco. But in English, coconut. ¿Quién? Qui. ¿Qué pasa? Okay. So you see, each time I said the English word, the paper moves. You need to use this maybe to have this visual feedback, because you might think that you're feeling it, or you put your hand up there and you feel it. But if you have that visual feedback, you'll see, especially to see if it moves when you say the Spanish word. Your goal is to practice so that you can say all the Spanish words starting with C or with Q and not have that paper move at all. That means your accent is really improving. So just keep that in mind. And remember that practice makes perfect.